Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best travel chess set. Here are the top 3 travel chess sets that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Chess Armory Travel Chess Set. This travel, magnetic chess set delivers all the chess essentials in one place: a folding board, polished chess pieces, and a storage box. It is a compact 9.5 by 9.5 chess board made of smooth and sturdy plastic, where every square measures 1.1 by 1.1 inches. These plastic chess pieces come with a felted bottom to protect the chess board from scratches and provide a good grip. Chess Armory Travel Chess Set is designed in a way to store all the chess pieces in the foldable chess board for easy accessibility. It carries a weight of 15.5 ounces and it is suitable to play with friends, adults, or kids. At number 2. QuadPro Magnetic Travel Chess Set. This lightweight and portable chess set is made of durable HIPS plastic with a fine texture, giving a smooth hand feel and strong grip. This chess board includes chess pieces which have light magnetic attraction to the 64 square playing field. The magnetic chess set features a foldable design and chess pieces can be put into the chessboard for easy storage and portability. QuadPro chess set is suitable for all ages and can be used at home, company, school, journey, bus, or picnic. It carries a weight of 12.8 ounces and its dimensions measure 9.84 by 0.78 by 9.84 inches. At number 1. KIDAMI Folding Magnetic Travel Chess. This travel chess is made from premium and durable plastic with a well-crafted wood-textured board and attractive game pieces. It features a magnetic gameplay that allows players to play consistently and without any disruption with its sleek design. This equipment is suitable for playing at home, school, workplace, or while traveling. It provides great portability with an open-sized board that measures 12.4 x 10.6 x 0.8 inches while a folded size measures 6.1 x 10.6 x 1.6 inches. The magnetic pieces of the game meet EU and US provisions of freight transport and can also be used on an airplane. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.